What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I hope you're all doing well, you're all doing great, and I'm back once again with another budget cologne. So here I'm talking about Liam from the house of Lattafa, and this one is getting a lot of hype nowadays, so let's talk about it. So first of all, Lattafa is a very well-known brand. I don't think I have to tell you anything about it. You can just Google it, but for the people who are very new in this journey, let me tell you that Lattafa is a UAE-based house, and they are famous for producing very affordable clones of very expensive and famous designer and niche brands. So the quality they are producing is very good and the price tag is amazing. It used to be much better in the past, but in the last couple of months, or I can say in the last year, they have increased their prices a lot. The perfume, which used to cost you around like 25 to 30 dirhams, nowadays it's going to cost you like around 40 to 45 dirhams. So they have raised their prices because they're getting more and more popular. So thanks to us reviewers who are doing this free campaigning and free advertisement for them. But it's fine because they are producing some great products for you brothers out there. So let's start our review, and today I'm going to review Liam from the house of Lattafa, and this is a recent launch from the house of Lattafa, and this is a perfume which is famous to be a clone of BDK's CHARNEL. Not the extrait version, but the regular version. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful box. See the packaging guys, it's a solid box, and you can see this silver kind of material here. It's very nice. You can see the designing, the name of Lattafa, the name of the perfume, Liam here, this beautiful sticker, holographic sticker here. So this is the front of the box, and then in the back here you will find all the details, your batch code and everything printed in silver. Very nice presentation. And once you are going to open the box, this is how it looks from inside. This is the cutout where you will find your bottle, and here you will find a patch of velvet with the name of the perfume once again printed in silver. So this is the box, and if you see the lid here, you can see there is once again a patch of foam here to hold your bottle, to secure your bottle. So amazing box presentation, top notch, 10 on 10 for the price you have paid here. And now let's jump to the bottle, and the bottle once again is very nice. It's custom made. It's not out of the world, but still it's unique and it's custom made, and it looks very nice. So you'll get this perfume in this beautiful bottle. You can see the shape of the bottle from the bottom. You can guess that there is a curve in the back, and then on the front you will get this metallic logo design here engraved in the glass. The cap here is made of plastic but with the metal finish, and then you will find the logo of Lattafa engraved here on the top. But the quality, the finishing, everything is top notch, and you can see the color of the juice here, which is gray. So this is how your bottle looks, round smooth sides with this curvy back here, and this is it. This is how your bottle looks. It's nice and unique, and the fragrance is beautiful. So let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So in the top here you will get cardamom, fig and black tea, and then in the middle you will get iris, vetiver, labdanum. In the base you will get vanilla, sandalwood, tonka beans and patchouli. So this is the notes breakdown. So now if you look at the notes breakdown, you will find some green notes here like cardamom, a little bit of fruits, there is a fig, there is a black tea, then there is sandalwood and vanilla with tonka beans. And whenever you use all these three things together, just keep one thing in your mind, that this perfume is going to be sweet and lactonic. It will be creamy. It will give you that creamy lactonic kind of feel. And then there is labdanum, which is a little bit leathery kind of accord, and there is vetiver and iris. Iris once again is like a powdery kind of note, which is like a floral powdery kind of accord. And now let's talk about that how this actually smells. So here, this is a beautiful, creamy and spicy green kind of concoction, as I've told you earlier by looking at the notes breakdown. So this is very creamy and smooth and a little bit smoky scent. It opens with a very prominent note of green cardamom, a lot of sweet vanilla with some black tea in the back, a touch of fig. The note of fig is there in the beginning, but it's going to stay with you just for a couple of minutes, then it will fade away. And then there is very creamy sandalwood in the back. This is the main structure of this perfume. You will get green cardamom, a lot of vanilla, tonka, and then there is some sandalwood. This is the main structure. And black tea is there, but once again, black tea is not very prominent. You have to use this perfume for at least like 5 to 10 times to get that note of black tea. So this is the main structure of this perfume. This is very creamy. It's a sweet kind of scent. It's not very powdery in the opening, but towards the second phase and then towards the dry down, the iris starts to shine and you will get that very light and very airy, beautiful, powdery kind of feel towards the dry down. But in the opening, it's all about some lactonic, vanilla, cardamom, and sandalwood. This perfume will remind you the cardamom milk-based black tea, which we used to cook in our Asian countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Pakistan. We take milk, cardamom, and black tea, and we cook them together for a long time so they blend with each other properly. So this is our way of drinking black tea with milk and cardamom. And if you guys are living in Middle Eastern countries, or if you have ever been to Saudi or Dubai or Abu Dhabi, I'm sure you have heard that word karak tea. Karak tea is like something very special inside Dubai and UAE. So this one is going to remind you of that karak tea because of the use of cardamom and a lot of vanilla, creamy sandalwood and black tea, you know. So this is how it smells. And then towards the second phase, that's the time when black tea becomes a little bit more prominent and somehow it becomes a little bit chocolatey. You will start to get that cocoa butter kind of feel here in this perfume. So overall, it's creamy and it's lactonic. You will get that milky, creamy kind of vibes from this perfume. And then towards the final dry down, it becomes a little bit woody because of the sandalwood, but mainly it's always cardamom, tea, vanilla, and creamy sandalwood. So this was about this perfume. This was about the journey of this perfume. And now let me tell you that how close is this to the original BDK's Gris Charnel. So this is very close. I cannot say that this is the exact same thing because the original BDK Gris Charnel is based more on sandalwood, and here Liam is more based on the green cardamom. It's more green as compared to the original Gris Charnel, but more or less they are almost similar in the same ballpark. So if you cannot afford the original BDK's Gris Charnel, get this one and you will be loving it. So this was about the comparison between Liam and Gris Charnel, and now let me give you a few more examples to let you understand that how this perfume actually smells. So if you like these kind of perfumes where you will get that milky and lactonic type of vibes, and if you have ever experienced or if you have ever used Penhaligon's the Bewitching Yasmin, this is in the same ballpark. If you like the Bewitching Yasmin, even in that perfume you will get a lot of cardamom. There is a lot of vanilla. It gives you that milky lactonic type of vibe. And if you like the recent launch from the house of Perfume de Marley's Altair, if you like that perfume, even in that perfume you'll find that spicy vanilla. It's not the very same experience here, but because that perfume is also based on that spicy vanilla, the vanilla used in that perfume is more spicy. Here it's like more creamy and sweet. But if you like Altair, if you like the Bewitching Yasmin, then you're definitely going to love this perfume, Liam. And if you like BDK's Gris Charnel, then definitely you're going to love it. So this was about some other examples which are similar to this perfume. And now let's talk about the other aspects like performance, etc. Performance wise, this perfume is very nice. I have tested this perfume in my office and the lasting I get from this perfume was 8 to 10 hours easily. It lasts whole day. Projection is very good for the first 1.5 to 2 hours, and then sillage is good. It's not, I can say, like a beast performer, but it performs very well. Whenever you're going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it. For your office use, this is a great perfume. If you are living in an air-conditioned environment, it will be rocking. So performance is not an issue here. And now let's talk about gender. So purely unisex type of scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it very easily. And now let's talk about the age group. You should be a little bit mature to rock these kind of concoctions. So if you are at the age of 23 to 24 years plus, you can rock it easily. For the season or weather, you can use this perfume all year around, but for the best experience, use this perfume when the season or the weather is a little bit colder, and especially if it's raining outside, rock this perfume. Don't use this perfume if you're going outdoors when the temperature is 40 plus, it's in the direct sunlight, you will not like it very much. And now let's talk about the occasion. This is a perfume which you can use in almost any type of scenario except your sports activities. You can use this perfume in your office, in your dinners, you know. You can use this perfume casually. You can use this perfume in almost any kind of scenario, in parties, in weddings, especially on your dates. If you are going on a date and you want to smell delicious, you want to smell milky, and you want to smell like a cocoa kind of butter, cocoa butter, then rock this perfume. So something very special for your sensual dates. And now let's talk about the price. So you'll get this perfume with this beautiful presentation and 100 ml quantity with this unique custom made bottle, and the price I paid for this perfume inside UAE is 50 UAE dirhams, and the price of BDK CHARNEL from the house of BDK is I think around 600 UAE dirhams. So 50 dirhams and 600 UAE dirhams. Now the decision is yours. You know better about your pocket. For me, this one is rocking. It's very nice scent. I never bought BDK CHARNEL because I was not ready to pay 600 dirhams for this kind of scent profile. But when I found Liam, that itch is satisfied, you know. I don't need CHARNEL anymore. So this was about Liam from the house of Lattafa. I hope you like this review. It's a cheapy, very affordable scent, but the quality blending is very nice and it gives you an amazing good niche feel here. This was about Liam from the house of Lattafa. I hope you like this review. I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, savor it, and bye.